In this video we're reviewing Kikoff, a credit-building platform that aims to help you improve your credit score affordably. Here's what you need to know before signing up. Kikoff offers a credit builder loan for $10 per month, with no interest or fees. After 12 months, you receive the $120 back, helping establish a positive payment history. They also provide a secured credit card with a minimum $50 deposit that reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Payments are automatically deducted from your account, and there are no annual fees. Additionally, for a one-time $50 fee, Kikoff can report your rent payments from the past 24 months to Equifax, potentially boosting your credit score. However, there are some drawbacks. The credit line is limited to purchases within the Kikoff store, and certain features require a paid subscription. Some users have reported billing and customer service issues, with complaints noted over recent years. Overall, Kikoff can be a useful tool for those looking to build or rebuild credit with minimal effort and cost, as long as you understand its limitations and use it responsibly. Subscribe for more honest credit building app reviews and smart financial tips.